My name is Donnie Taylor. I'm a JENSEN warehouse employee.
How did you find this company?
The company that I worked for did business with JENSEN, and I heard how great it was to work here. So when I moved to the area, this was the very first place that I've come to because of the industry and what I'm used to and the good things I've heard about the company.
What does JENSEN bring to the industry?
Number one service. We provide the number one service, the quality, the service. They need it, we have it, and we will get it to them when they need it.
Can you tell us about any experience helping a client?
We honestly go through it on a daily basis. We have things where customers call in and be like, hey, I have a machine down, I have to have this right away. And we have to figure out the best ways to get it there as soon as possible. No matter what it takes, we're gonna find a way to get it there for them so they can be up and running.
Could you provide some insights into the company's culture?
It's wonderful. It's wonderful. Everybody is so nice, genuine. We all want the same thing. We all want our jobs to be done every day. Everybody's very helpful. They try to do whatever they can for the employees and for our customers. And that's a big thing. It ain't just about what we get out, it's about how we get it out. How are the employees feel? They're worried about the employees and the customers, which that's what I love about the company.
What aspects of this job do you find most enjoyable?
Our customer service, providing for the customer. That's what JENSEN strives on, is making sure our customers have what they need when they need it. And the best equipment, the most advanced technology. So yeah, that's something to look forward to. Some places you go and you just want to get by. I actually love waking up and come in here every day and take pride in what I do. So it makes you feel good.